Google AI Studio versus Firebase Studio. Which AI builder should you use? Choosing the right AI platform can transform how you create intelligent apps without complex setups. Both offer powerful tools but serve different development needs. Google AI Studio and Firebase Studio are two leading AI development platforms. Google AI Studio focuses on building and training custom machine learning models, while Firebase Studio integrates AI features directly into app development workflows. Google AI Studio is a comprehensive platform designed for creating, training, and deploying custom machine learning models. It provides an intuitive interface to build models using Google's powerful AI infrastructure, supporting various data types like images, text, and tabular data. The platform offers pre-built templates and automated workflows to simplify model development, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced data scientists. Strengths include seamless integration with Google Cloud services, scalability, and robust model management tools. However, it requires some familiarity with machine learning concepts to unlock its full potential. Google AI Studio is ideal for developers and data scientists who want to create tailored AI solutions and need flexibility in model customization and deployment. Firebase Studio is an AI-enhanced development environment built into the Firebase platform, focusing on app development with integrated AI capabilities. It streamlines adding AI features like natural language processing, image recognition, and prediction directly into mobile and web apps without extensive ML expertise. Firebase Studio leverages Google's back-end infrastructure to handle data storage, authentication, and real-time updates alongside AI services. Its strength lies in simplifying AI integration within app workflows, making it perfect for developers prioritizing rapid deployment and user engagement. Limitations include less customization in model training compared to dedicated AI platforms. Firebase Studio suits app developers who want to enhance their applications with AI quickly and efficiently, relying on pre-trained models and easy-to-use APIs. Google AI Studio and Firebase Studio serve distinct purposes. Google AI Studio excels when you need custom AI models with full control over training and deployment, ideal for complex projects requiring tailored solutions. Firebase Studio shines in app-centric scenarios where integrating AI features quickly without deep ML knowledge is critical. For example, a data scientist building a unique image classifier would benefit from Google AI Studio, while a mobile developer adding chatbots or predictive text might prefer Firebase Studio. The trade-off is between deep customization and ease of use. Google AI Studio demands more AI expertise but offers flexibility, whereas Firebase Studio prioritizes speed and simplicity, leveraging pre-built models and Firebase's app ecosystem. Choose Google AI Studio if you need advanced customizable AI models and have the skills or resources to manage complex machine learning workflows. Opt for Firebase Studio when you want to quickly add AI features to your apps with minimal machine learning knowledge. Its seamless integration with Firebase services makes it a powerful choice for developers focused on user experience and fast deployment.